Hello students, welcome to social science class history part, and today we will discuss the four phases of the Bengal partition. Yesterday we discussed uh, why Swadeshi movement was called or is called anti-partition movement. Why Swadeshi movement is called boycott movement? Why Swadeshi movement is called Swadeshi movement? Why Swadeshi movement is called Bang Bhang Andolan? These were the questions we discussed yesterday. We also discussed the background, and in the background we discussed the Regulating Act 1773, formation of Assam state 1784, and new first Chief Commissioner of Assam R.H. Keating. We discussed two British officers who helped Viceroy Lord Curzon in preparing the proposal for the partition of Bengal, and those officers were Andrew Fraser and Fuller. And Andrew Fraser became the Viceroy, uh, governor of lieutenant governor of state of Bengal, and he prepared the proposal which was sent to the Secretary of State for India, Herbert Risley, who gave his approval on the partition plan of Bengal, and that is called Risley paper we discussed. Today we will discuss four stages or four points of the Bengal partition that took place in 1905, and this answer you will get in page number 5 and 6 without problem. Thank you. Then first phase, you see Bengal was partitioned between two states. One was East Bengal and Assam, another was West Bengal. East Bengal and Assam capital of this is the new name of the province. The new name of the province was East Bengal and Assam, and its capital was to be established in Dhaka, and administration was to be run by Lieutenant Governor. And previously Assam's capital was Shillong, but its capital now would be shifted from Shillong to Dhaka. This was to be done in the first phase. Second phase, separate High Court will be there in Dhaka for Assam and Eastern Bengal or East Bengal. This was, and Calcutta High Court would look after the affairs of this new state, East Bengal and Assam, until the courts in Dhaka were established. जब तक नया कोर्ट बन के तैयार नहीं हो जाता तब तक कलकत्ता हाई कोर्ट ही इनका देखरेख करेगी. थर्ड फेज, Calcutta would be the capital of new Bengal province, and that was West Bengal. West Bengal included Bihar, Orissa and Chota Nagpur. These three places were included in West Bengal, and its capital was to be there at Calcutta. And last phase was the implementation of the partition plan of Bengal in 1905. This is the last phase. And after this declaration, what happened in Bengal, we will discuss. Swadeshi movement started. Swadeshi movement started just as the plan for the partition of Bengal announced by the government, and it became a national movement. It created, great impact on the freedom struggle of India. Aftermath of this Swadeshi movement was the birth of Muslim League and other things that we will discuss in next video. Till then आई थिंक ये आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा. छोटा है और आप इसको देखिए. पेज नंबर 5-6 में ये आंसर है, एंड दिस क्वेश्चन कैरीज 4 to 5 marks. Therefore, write this question. I am telling you, discuss the 4 stages of the partition of Bengal, or what were the 4 stages of the partition of Bengal. There are 4 stages. And next question from the last phase, you see, when was the partition plan of Bengal implemented? When was the partition plan of Bengal implemented? Partition plan बंगाल का implement कब हुआ? ये question होगा 1 marks के लिए. और discuss the partition, discuss the partition you see 4 phases of the partition plan of Bengal. ये 4 से 5 मार्क्स तक का क्वेश्चन होगा. धन्यवाद. I think you will like this video. हम वीडियो डालेंगे अपने व्हाट्सएप पर, यूट्यूब पर भी डालेंगे. आप देख सकते हैं, इसको हमेशा देख सकते हैं. अगर आपका व्हाट्सएप जाम हो जाता है तो यूट्यूब पर ये वीडियो मिल जाएगा. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस टाइम.